Hey everybody, this is an update on our little squirrel. Obviously you can see he is friendly as can be. And he's gotten along well with Biscuit. Biscuit's still a little unsure of him, but he's still as friendly as can be, social as can be. Come here. Come here, Fidget. Fidget. Come here, little guy.
Yeah, I was at the hospital.
Come here, little guy.
Jackie OD'd.
Jackie from work, is she okay?
Yeah, they're sending her home.
Come here, buddy.
She's not getting her kid
Come on,
back,
Fidget.
that's for sure.
Oh, we've definitely figured out he is a boy Fidget, not a girl Fidget.
Yep. He's a male, alright.
He has exposed himself to Mama today.
Going to work without your boots?
But yeah, he is awesome as can be.
What?
Lots of fun to play with and
I thought it didn't start for another couple weeks.
Yeah, I know.
very friendly and very cool little guy. Anyways, that's Fidget, everybody.
Got summer break short for school.
There's Biscuit.
You hate your job that much?
And there's Gemma, my love, my queen.
Fidget yesterday, so.
Anyways, this is us quarantined with our squirrel.
Hi,
God
guys.
bless. Have a
Thanks.
great day.
God bless.
Yeah.